All right, this is a little footage here on the backyard cam video stuff that we have, and we have a blue jay who is a notorious crazy bird in the backyard that likes to irritate a lot of the other birds, the squirrels, kind of dominates as far as the birds go, but goes up against a ornery woodpecker, we think, type of woodpecker, and he definitely holds his own and holds off the blue jay, as you will see. So a good backyard cam battle between two different bird species. You'll be seeing the rest of this backyard cam sometime after November, as far as the November backyard cam Mountain Warriors.